A user account represents Abir, the lead engineer on your team. She accesses the account with the email address and password associated with it, and access to it is shared with no one else. A service account, on the other hand, is an identity that a compute instance or an application can use to run API requests on your behalf. There are a few differences between a user account and a service account. A service account has assigned emails, but instead of a password, it is only to be accessed with an RSA key pair, and it can't be logged in via a browser. Service accounts typically represent virtual machines and applications. The main difference between these two types of accounts is that people use user accounts while computers use service accounts. So if you wanted to write out a file to cloud storage, you would need to access to a valid user account. If a piece of software wanted to write a file out to cloud storage, then it would need to use a valid service account.